Good morning, students. Class 10th. This is your social science class. Now, today we are going to discuss about geography, chapter 6, manufacturing industries. Industries manufacturing industries. So, industries are classified into different categories like large scale industry, small scale industry, heavy industries, light industries. So, first of all, we have to know that classification of industries is done on the basis of their main role, capital investment, ownership, source of raw materials, and the bulk and weight of raw materials and finished goods. Thereafter, industries are categorized in four categories. The first one is large scale industry. The industry which have a large number of employees, that is known as large scale industry. Small scale industries, the industries which implies a small number of laborers are known as small scale industry. Heavy industries, the industry which uses heavy and bulky raw materials are known as heavy industries. Light industry used light industries are used light raw materials. Whatever the industries, some other industries in them agro based industries means the industries which used the raw materials obtained from agriculture, that is agro based industries. In this industry, agriculture developed along industrial line. Thereafter, agglomeration or mass agglomeration is known as a mass or collection of things. GDP is also known as gross domestic product. The monetary total value of finished goods, produce and services provided in a country during 1 year is called gross domestic product, GDP. Urbanization refers to the population shift from rural to urban areas. The gradual increase in the portion of people living in urban areas and the way in which each society adopts to the change is known as urbanization. Thereafter, industrialization. The development of industries. The development of industries in a country or region on a wide scale is known as industrialization. After that, public sector industries. Sector industries is the part of the economy concerned with providing various governmental services. The composition of the public sector varies country wise, but in most countries, the public sector includes such services as the military, police, infrastructure. In infrastructure, there is public roads, bridges, tunnels, water supply, sewer, electrical grid, telecommunication, etc. Public transport, public education, along with healthcare and those working for government itself, such as elected officials. Thereafter, private sector industries. That is also the part of economy. Private sector industries are also the part of economy, sometimes referred to as the citizen, which is run by private individuals or groups, usually as a means of enterprise for profit and is not controlled by the state. Thank you. In next video, we will discuss about the iron and steel industry, chemical industry, aluminium industry, and etc. Thank you.